Sringa diski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Sirinang Diski, oh oh oh.
Di General Jiba fethu yena o1010 mashumeshuma mpatsuluwa Siringa ngediski tswe a di thome ba fethu.
Ba tlotse ba rona o se bone jwang first game sa Hugo Bruzi mo Fezaf ska ne re dlala le Czech Republic o se bone le screen insurance proper.
Well, gaming e la bafana mfethu ntse ke bone gore first half scheme sa rona ne se that much giving the way because why we had our fair share but in the middle of the park, as we saw how this game was so important, we saw the tears that came out during our national anthem before the game started. Mokoena gave us, he shed his tear where it showed how important this game is. And then again, when it comes to second half, I was very impressed. I remember, if you remember my last episode, two episodes back, where I spoke about the thing, if you saw there, Mofokeng went in, which changed the game. Muda was able to overlap, of which obviously first half we had a problem on that considered game. We couldn't defend how they attacked us, while Bombogas they pushed to the side, trying to close the gap. But Hula Salama Munda was supposed to only clear out the ball, but Hula judge. Anyway, but okay, oh well, it is what it is. Had happened, it was a mistake, but we fought against that mistake. Second half, I change those two passes taken in between the defenders. It's the passes we needed from first half. We should have won that game. It was not a difficult game for us, but oh well, we are glad for that 1 point, of which now we are under pressure, as I've been saying. We're under pressure. First half, first game actually, we were supposed to win. It was the must win. Second game, draw. This coming game, we are sitting kayon. Look, we never really pressure because we at least number 1, number 2. Moving forward about the scheme, first half it wasn't convincing, but second half it gave us something. I'm glad with the scheme. Gratefully so for Maseko. Maseko deserves the credit. He played. He was outstanding. He gave us whatever he gave us. However, you understand. So yeah, we are glad and we are. I'm happy actually with the performance that we received second half, because on first half it was difficult to first half for a continue the goal, but on second half we were supposed to at least rebel 2-3 goals. We are copying, but oh well.
Bondile jwang wena di ball back tsa Williams, because Williams mane ka re ball tshwantse dile e gutlela kwa yena. Ke tsena ke utlwa le batho ba bang ba tšho ba rai o tshwere ball more than the players tsa mo groundong. So wena be bonetse le jwang ball back ya re bola grand.
Well, on ball delay ya Williams, it's what I've picked up from the first game. He likes to delay and a flop ya rona in order to be safe. How I believe in football. Bolo tshwantse ka letlhakoreng ka ntle, or like which on the sides. Bolo ka iwang in the mid ke danger ball because anything can happen, as it happened. Ga costile goal, the delay tsa high, they are necessary. Rally after all, but at the end of the day, when we are leaded, he delays. O tshwara ball of it at the player, which is true. No need for us to put the ball in the mid for us to be on a safe side. Ball tshwantse di ye ko ntle. Rather ball e be throw in. Unlike ha re kenya mo hare phela se re push it. Once we push, re cover tsa gore ha ba win ba re attack, it's hard for us to tloa from mo re leng teng to cover. And ke ntshone le gore vele ne ba re pitha ka yona nako e baya because ne nkare ne se ba re dile game hore these people are playing ball in the middle, they're not putting the balls outside.
And another thing, just give me a grand. So I want to you go Brucey like usual. Scheme say as change them from the second half. This scheme soaring le go Korea re tlodala tshwantse be the first scheme soaring se re qala ka sona. Tot re tobana le di changes maybe on the second, and ha re bana le di changes ha ona no re tshwantse be di early changes se ka ba di late changes cause yena vela ngata o rata with the late changes.
Most of all, the early changes, the early debate. Mohare, now we have a minus Samuquin because he got his second yellow card. He's missing game Moyon. We have Mbata. If Mbata looking at the combination of Mbata, which is it's a replacement again Komquin. Renale a police Renale Mukwena, Renale Mudao. You saw on that flank, no it's ala. Mukwena Kenali Mahupa. We had something it was create and to the buy. Mahopa thola chance by le Mokoena, oh well fine, but the changes gave us something to show as a country we can do this. When I'm Mahopa tholang at 10, a shooter left. I was expecting him or anke another forward step. Then I place a ball or I gaye the teammate I go because we had a chance. If it did game if it didn't, but now the LD bet, which is the scheme second half. Game. Fresh legs, fresh mind, young players, talent, we move. Then more to Bamjojo. So very the LD better. And the LD better gonna guide goals. It's about the LD better Loriata, but it doesn't give us anything. We need this point, which is now we are under pressure.
I can tell. So definitely you agree with Atalaga scheme says second half. Or the performance proper and Razamo or Richard Koulu before first half. Yeah, this second game. So it means for a game in a grand a feeling you gain motivation or a lang a great way like a true talk with check.
Well, on that game, believe in me, if only we can be able to allow Mokwena, not Mokwena, Mufuken to distribute. And then Mahopa to be our holder, and then Apollos to be our disturber. Come again, I tell you, we are going to make it because of whatever we had on that game. Scheme second half, it gave us something.
Yeah, and the other thing, Nekbatlo was our performance and Bogazi, because I has always valued that deliver. So Scalile no more to be them polo So Neki put like ska to be the polo like the polo the Kenya sense I wonder sense I wanna will langa. So meaning or now Kichiki performance high or performer and he always appears with something new. So if that polo net player alien towards us I could try and go to leading in it more cheesy. So more pirates, I mean. So we're not worrying performance and bogas.
I'm fan of fit. That's fitness that did all it did, but fit as Tabanex. Mbogazu fit but to excellent player, quality. They can say whatever they want, Kambogazi, but oh well, believe in me, he's been excellent, outstanding, doing the best, doing the what we know in Longa all the time. We know Velambogazi Fetu Kista play. Singa Kuluma, Singa Enzani, Singa Tula, Singa Vela, Singa Feel. That a star player. We pull he was fit. That ball which would be I pop to the core. But oh well. Mboza kimbokazi bafethu. Intwana iqinile encane. Fitness overall.
All right, that means you're going to check the game here at Rotloko. E tlang ya Korea. So le nna vele ne ke tjhaetse gore you know since vele ne ke itse never ke check but I saw gore ba tshepisanyana. I was like I know ke tla tsoa ka bo matric ke check. So I just want to find out gore we go check the game and vele we just wishing ka scheme se o buang ka sona gore vele se kene cause ke utlwile le commentator e tjho gore Hugo Bruce bile a tshwara ai never ke utlwe ka batho ba di TikTok ka ba di podcast gore nna ke kenyeng ke tla etsa ntho nna ke batlang so go tshwara tshwantse fela rapele re wish gore o etsa dileng e re nahanang a nahana gore ke ena o entseng but ke rona ene tse re batla gore a etse.
Yeah, let's hope for the best ka game e tlang no for the last game re na leng yona. We believe we tla thola 3 points. We don't want 1 but we want 3 to be on the safe side. And we believe hore scheme se sa second half ka ra qala ka sona so we can be able to have more of an attack because now we're under pressure rena choice.
Then which another match will I check ke if match will I check or ka renga ka yona?
Other games azange check. I only check game la banyana no dlala Tax was I TUT not Tax go Tax Stadium TUT le kana ke game tsa banyana dlala no ka Sunday. Yeah, I only watched that game. The first touch. So yeah, ko matšhiteng ga ona e nngwe ke shebileng other than that.
Oh, all right. So yona we bone jwang yona game e ne dlala ya Sunday ya TUT. We bone ya di-Tigen we bone jwang.
Oh well, gaming ya first touch le TUT ladies. What I've saw ka first half. TUT was having a bit of a build up as a team. I think I was so punish up to a point whereby they know how to combine. Though they had that number 8 talking number one in the midfield. She was trying to do whatever she could to distribute the teammates di kgone go di atumele ka sebaka. But then second half TT defense ya bona no ka first half sorry defense ya bona it was so shaky and it needed some stabilizer. So there was this number 19 ya bona from first touch which was a bulldozer and a contributor in the middle of the park. Never meter shakes number 19. So that's all I can say. I don't want to say much because game at feel like 1-1. It was not a bad game to watch, but something to learn from both teams. They were trying to but oh well, you know, this game fit you can knock however you could. But if your chance is not getting to that bottom line, you won't be able to score. So yeah, that's all I can say about that game. I got to one match of it.
Ai ke lewa general.
This is a G general Bafethu Teresa bana ba o shebile Bafethu. Can you kindly like, subscribe, comment? Nenga sa bukhuluma Bafethu. We are not the analysts and whatsoever, but Bafethu siyazama ukuthi nathi siconnect ne-country yethu Bafethu nisupporteni supportane sibonisane makhupho uya phambili Bafethu 7 phezulu Bafethu siyabonga the G general. I got you guys, you got me guys, you got us guys.
Hey Bafethu, yeah, we're still here. Let's go check what people are saying on the street. Aware on Facebook, I just posted something on our page. Yes, Serenganye Diski. I posted a picture of Hugo Bruce and I said, Mzansi, your thoughts on Hugo Bruce Bafana starting lineup to face Mexico. Then this is what people said. And you guys typed and said this. The first one, Lepaka Paka said he must just go back to Europe. Clearly he doesn't understand our soccer. Then Relebohile Mahanetsa said playing two tactic strikers was a huge mistake and they do not skills to take on defenders. All right, hey, Relebohile, you're talking another English. You type in some other stuff. Then Tsepo Joseph Ganiso, he said he's just an arrogant, stubborn manager. After the World Cup, he must just leave our beloved Bafana, please. What are we defending from the onset? I'm speechless. Haibo. Then Simpue Nzema said, very stupid. He must just leave. He knows nothing. This humiliation. He knows nothing. This humiliation. Yeah, this is what Simpue is saying. Then Rocky Rose saying 5-3-2 was never gonna get us any goals. Then Busisi Lefatola is saying Magahambe. Then when we go and check our message, we check Elliot Mabaso. Elliot Mabaso is saying nickname yami yediski nguJack Shamangwani. Wala Jack Shamangwani, and he left us with a voice note. Let's just listen to Elliot's voice note.
Uyibone kanjani igame yafanda hayi ngabe ngibhekile nami igame yafanda yasemzini hayi uyiko bruise hayi uyiko bruise but anyway sizothini makasipane ke kuvele kundlule kanjalo avaye ngoba vele nje yabona nje sekasebenzela ukuvaya nje hayi okuningi mina akikho kungarina ngabo fanda hayi but ifethola hayi ningifuna esikhaleni hayi ngizabe ngikhona lapha esikhaleni bafethu.
We ain't done yet. We're still on our page. When Bafana was facing Czech Republic, what we wrote is, what's your say on Bafana today? Then Bafana Khatebe sent us a sad emoji. And Nomzamo Noi is saying, she's saying it's a comeback since Mofokeng is on the pitch now. Sipho Hlatshwayo uthi Hugo must go and there's no coming back from this game. Jabulani yena uthi badlala udaka nje. Siyabonga Ngabende athi favoritism has cost us. Elsach Lavadavo yo abo Elsach ya uthi uyabona Popeye bro wami lo mechi si draw ngoba lo coach akafuni ukufaka Mofokeng first half bro wami. Then Khumbuzo Ngwenya uthi Danny Jordan gave us isilingo so coach, so they must both leave us in peace before we get into pieces. Then he sent 4 angry faces emojis. Thank you bafethu. Keep on commenting so that we can read your comments and put you on our show. Then let's jump to YouTube and check our comments on YouTube. Right on YouTube we have at Benedict tweet 45. He's saying the love of Itiski has always been a bright spark. Fantuka af tot vandag. Thank you Bennett. Then surprise Ngoveni 3844. Hey, these people, their handlers are very hard to pronounce. Then Ati Papaziri, Coach Mzerewa, hire us to say realize and shine. Then he sent Diski emojis and hands emojis saying thank you. Then Lindo Sihlangu Ati, do more videos. I will do that, Mr. Lindo. Then Doom Charlie saying legends. I went to. At Ntogozo Msomi 6495 uti awe MZ. Then at Simon Maseko B3P9Z uti abonge. Then at Tutuze Kwati 4799 he's saying Pushani Mahotmani, this podcast will grow. Yegani AI Kulumani nje nge mic. We did that, we did even listen to you. However, this is our last comment, so just keep on commenting on our Facebook page, comment on our YouTube page. we're going to soon open our TikTok and Instagram buffet to even Twitter. Just keep on commenting so that we can shout you out. Thank you, siyabonga bafethu. Sinje masithanda sirenga ngedisk. Let's listen to our last voice note that we received on WhatsApp.
Hola. Yeah, no long overdue, but I think in play enough time to recollect the game and also think about what the game meant. And I think in the firstly, it vindicates what South Africans have been saying about the team that played the opener vis-a-vis what we have as players, or the players we have. So it is clear Hugo Bruce, man, we could have at least had a point of his first game if he was more brave than what we've seen. But to the game, Chechnya, look, we need to be frank about our football. I don't think the players sitting, as much as they're good locally, but hey, well staged, and I think that's why we need to get more players playing overseas after this World Cup, because the talent is there. Just the sharpness, decision making, small things, technical ability. There's someone leka. So I think the takeaway from the game, we need to see more players going overseas. And the one thing that at least we can, there are lots of things we can give Hugo Bruce. Qualified for 2 AFCONs, qualified for World Cup after a long time. But also what he has done, he has created a pool of players for the next coach to work with. And I hope Safa has a plan for the next World Cup. So qualifier for AFCON should be a norm now. Should be a norm. To compete for AFCON for the title should be a norm. It should be something that we expect. To qualify for the World Cup should be a norm. Then we start to focus on then how far can we go in these World Cups. Otherwise, we are not going to see progress. And then we're going to see the teams, the longer mediocre, like the Chiefs, also need to fall in the plan. So then if this is a plan here, South Africa, then how then do we contribute towards it? It means now the best 3 teams must always be playing continental football. Standard. Qualifying. Standard. Contending. It is standard. We are playing these continental things to compete. The Sundowns has laid the foundation. Then we're going to see this football improving. Obviously, we need to have more teams in the PSL. And I think this is where Department of Sports must start thinking or how then do they fund this thing. Go PSL as well as the first division. Otherwise, we're going backwards. So, but I'm hoping Kenya, Korea will be more adventurous. I think it's going to be an open game, that one. Probably going to see high scoring a game in this group, because both teams, I don't think they'll sit down. They play almost similar style, just the difference about technical ability and also taking our chances. So I'm hoping that we're going to see lots of goals in that game. Because these teams, they look like their own defensive frailties. Yeah, after the game Thursday, sharp.
Haya, sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile diski, that's why siringa ngediski. Yes, yeah, ibungilekijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Say it in Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. scoreline. Did you see that red at your